This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I'm looking at XRP, not just as a cryptocurrency, but as I've told you guys many times in the past, I believe that XRP is going to end up being a reserve currency for a lot of countries, if not all countries. And the reason why, it is so inexpensive to send money with XRP across international borders that it would be beneficial for all parties involved to have XRP on reserve. And here's the thing, the higher XRP goes in price, the more efficient XRP becomes. XRP, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, but in my opinion, XRP cannot stay at these low levels for too much longer because it takes away from the efficiency and the utility of XRP. XRP price has to go up significantly for XRP to do what it does. But I believe that soon XRP, after the spot ETFs and everything else is approved, XRP is going to end up being a reserve currency where all these not just banks and countries will have XRP in reserve. And when that happens, I know this is going to sound crazy, but I see XRP being traded on Forex, okay? I see XRP as a reserve currency, the first cryptocurrency to do this. And then I see XRP trading on Forex along with USD, along with the euro, along with the franc, and every other reserve currency, not reserve currency, but every other currency from every other country. That is the future I see for XRP. Because with the XRP ledger and everything that's going on, XRP is going to take over the financial industry. There's no doubt in my mind about that based on everything I'm seeing and everything they say XRP can do. XRP is a game changer. And everybody knows it. That's why the whales are loading up. That's why the governments are loading up. That's why the institutions are loading up. That's why the banks are loading up while they're telling retail investors to exit the play. And they push the price up and down to mess with us psychologically so that we can exit the play before it really runs. And once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. What I'm telling you is based on everything I'm seeing, I see XRP as a reserve currency, and eventually I see XRP being traded on Forex. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that XRP has the potential to be a reserve currency and then being traded on Forex? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.